Trump's going hard on China. President Trump is really turning up the heat on China. He's saying he'll slap a huge extra 50% tax on their imports if they don't drop the 34% tax they put on American stuff. That could make the total taxes over 100%. Seriously, things are getting intense. 2. China's not backing down. China's basically saying, bring it on. They're promising to fight this tariff war, all the way to the end. So it doesn't look like either side is going to give in anytime soon. 3. Crazy weather messing up the Midwest. Massive floods are tearing through the central US. 24 people have died already. Non-stop storms and tornadoes have rivers overflowing. And tons of folks are being evacuated. It's just awful. 4. Stock markets bouncing back. For now, after a shaky time, Wall Street's looking good today. The Dow's up 2.5%, the S&P 2%, and the Nasdaq's around 1.8% higher. Investors are trying to ignore all the tariff drama. 5. EU thinking about hitting back with tariffs. It's not just China, now the European Union is talking about putting taxes on all sorts of American goods. Looks like this trade fight could go global. 6. Supreme Court says okay to fast deportations. In a pretty big decision, the Supreme Court says the US can use an old law from the 1700s to speed up deportations. Immigration policies just got another twist. 7. Health insurance stocks soaring. It's a great day for companies like Humana and United Health. Medicare just announced bigger payments than expected for 2026, and investors are loving it. 8. Trump sticking to his guns on tariffs. Even though the market's nervous and allies are pushing back, Trump is sticking with his tariff plans. He is calling it a way to change the future of the US. 9. Chiefs looking to protect Mahomes better. The Kansas City Chiefs might pick up Josh Simmons in the draft. He's a strong left tackle who could give Mahomes more time to work his magic. 10. Direct talks with Iran in the works. The Trump administration is starting direct talks with Iran about their nuclear program. If it works out, it could be a pretty big deal diplomatically.